North of China is witnessing the wrath of the rain gods. Fierce rain and flooding that have pummeled Beijing since the weekend have killed at least 11 people and several are still missing. Major flooding has forced the evacuation of tens of thousands of people. The torrential rains have caused havoc in the city, with rivers overflowing and submerging various areas. The Yongting River in Beijing has been a significant source of flooding. As more videos emerge, a clearer picture of the extent of the damage is revealed. The flooding has hit several districts, disrupting train services and traffic. Military helicopters have been deployed to deliver emergency food supplies and ponchos to people stranded.
As you can see behind me, the traffic boards and trees were blown down, and many trees have been inundated. Authorities have issued red alert, which is the highest of its kind for floodings and heavy rainfalls, and warning that the Dashi River in the region, which is just the river behind me, could continue to flood, and telling people to stay away from the rivers.
With heavy rains likely to persist through the week, flooding could worsen in northern regions around Beijing, Tianjin City and Hebei province.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.